together, but there are a lot of people who haven't experienced this, and Chris Stewart shared a link of a Bahamas camera earlier, and the sound that a hurricane makes. A lot of people aren't familiar with the sound that a hurricane makes because it's a very specific sound, like 1,000 wolves all howling at the same time. It's a very distinct noise. You know, they say tornadoes sound like a train, a hurricane sounds like thousands of wolves just howling at the same time. It's a very distinct sound. We don't have any audio with this, I know, but that is really something right there. That is something. All right, let's take a